So, if you are currently creating a campaign on the Creator Geeks platform, we already provided the space for creating your campaign title, selecting your preferred creator's niche, selecting the day the campaign ends, the campaign type, where creators should be located, the followers range, and the budget range. But this video is going to be showing you how you can write your description in detail, some parts of your campaign that is not currently part of this page. So let's go straight into it. Now, basically, these are the parts of your campaign you want to make sure that you have in your description. The first is obviously your campaign objectives. You want to start with the why. What do you hope to achieve with your campaign? This actually helps creators understand the bigger picture and tailor their content accordingly to what you are driving. For example, you can say you want to drive something like brand awareness for your new line of skincare products, or your goal is to increase your app downloads and sign up. So basically, you have to include your campaign objectives in your description. Another thing you have to include is your campaign deliverables. And actually, this is the most crucial part because you have to be as specific as possible about what you expect from the creator. Don't assume at this stage that they know what you want because they are depending on your description of your deliverable. So the first thing you actually have to do in your deliverable is your content type. You have to specify the format of your content, then the details of the service, your key features and your benefits. The creators don't expect that the creators already know that. Then most importantly, your call to action. This should be the last actually. What do you want their followers or the people they are the audience they are showing the content? What do you want them to do? Do you want them to click the link in their bio? You want them to use their discount code? You want them to comment a name? Do you want them to follow your brand page and so on and so forth? So basically, you have to make sure that you include your call to action and you share your key messaging or brand voice. What are the non-negotiables? Does your brand have a specific tone that must be shown in your content? Do you want it to be funny, educational, professional, inspirational, and so on and so forth? The next thing is actually the creative freedom. You have to decide if you want the brand to have some sort of creative or the creator to have some sort of creative freedom. Do you want them to be more creative or do you want them to follow a stricter guideline? To be more creative, you say something like, "We trust your creative expertise. We are looking for a video that feels authentic to your style and audience. We're happy to review a draft and provide feedback." However, if you want them to be strict, you say something like, "The video must be filmed vertically with our product visible in the first 3 seconds. Please do not use any copyrighted music." So these are examples of stricter guidelines. And last but not the least, you want to make sure that you include your legal and usage rights. This is a detail that majority of brands actually miss when writing their campaign description, but it's actually very important. If you want to reuse the content that you paid for or for paid ads, the content you paid for that the creator produced for paid ads or on your own channels, make sure that you specify this and budget for it if needed. As creators often charge more when they know that you're going to be using the content for paid ads. So make sure that you also include this within your uh, description. So those are the four things you must include: your legal and usage rights, whether the creator should have a creative freedom, your campaign deliverables, and most importantly, your campaign objective. So that actually sums it up for creating your campaign description on Creator Git.